Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Abdurrafli from Technical Bravo Department. I want to explain about emergency situation. The emergency situation that requests use the be safe. Fire alarm. 1. Inform officer on watch. 2. Check if it is a false or true alarm. 3. Report back of finding. 4. In case of fear, raise the fear. General alarm as soon as possible. 3. To stop fear, and if it is not possible, master according to the fear master list. I will give some picture on video alarm.
This is the captain. Message to all crew members. Proceed directly to assembly station. Proceed directly to your assembly station.
Thank you for the attention. Do you not forget like and subscribe. Bye bye.